Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to change the belts on this 2009 Cadillac CTS. We're going to start off by taking off this cover, and then we're going to loosen up these clamps and take off this intake. This is 8 millimeters. This thing comes off. So we just take this out. All right, guys. Now you have access to the tensioners over here. This car has two belts, one in the front, one in the back. The one in the back is the power steering and air conditioning belt. The one in the front is your water pump and alternator belt right here. So what we're gonna do is take a 1/2 inch breaker bar like this one and attach it to the tensioner right here, and then we're going to push down this way. It's going to release the tension, and then you can take the belt off. Once you take the front belt off, same thing with this side, and we take the back belt off. So it's a good idea to take a picture so you know the routing of the belts. So let's do this. All right. Okay. This belt is off. Like, one belt, and then this one. So this one you're going to pull up on it. All right, guys, so these are the belts. This is the one for the alternator and water pump, and this one's the one for the power steering air conditioning. So this one goes on first, then this one goes next. This over here goes on the back one. This is gonna go under this. This one goes over. There you go. All right, I just gotta get the chunky. There you go. All right, so that's the back one. Make sure it's sitting on the pulley. All right. So this one you gotta make sure you put it behind this pulley first. This idler, like that. All right. Now we're gonna go under in here, and then we're gonna go under there. And then we're gonna go over this water pump. So, oop, I lost my bandage. Alright guys, now you just gotta put this back on. Like that. Put this piece back on. Like that. This piece goes in here. Now we just gotta tighten up those bolts. All right, guys. You just got to put the cover back on and you're all done. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.